So students, so far now we have discussed four types of reactions in our previous videos. First is combination reaction. Second is decomposition reaction. In decomposition reaction there are further three types of reactions. First is thermolysis, second is electrolysis, and third is photolysis. Our next type is displacement reaction, and fourth type is double displacement reaction. So our next type of reaction is redox reaction. So now question arises, ma'am, why we didn't include this reaction in our further types of reaction? Because students, this type of reaction is complex type of reaction which includes number of further terms. That's why we are studying it in a separate manner. So before studying redox reaction, firstly I want to ask you, have you ever observed fruits and vegetables when left in open air? What will happen to your fruits and vegetables when you left them in open air? Yes, they will get oxidized by showing reaction with the oxygen present in the air. As you can see in this picture, banana, in first picture there is a fresh banana, and when you keep this banana in open air, it will become like this, as you can see in second picture. This happens because of oxidation of food. So according to this, ma'am, there is huge wastage of food. This question might arise in your mind. Yes. So what is the solution of this problem? So this can be solved by keeping our food in a plastic wrap which cut the supply of oxygen inside it. Okay. And next we can also add lime juice to cut the cut fruit. जो भी हमने फ्रूट कट किया है उसको हम लाइम जूस ऐड करके भी प्रिजर्व कर सकते हैं, जिससे क्या होगी, हमारी ऑक्सीजन के साथ इसकी रिएक्शन क्या हो जाएगी, कट हो जाएगी. So now question may arise in your mind that if oxidation of food can take place, food is also present inside our stomach, so that means oxidation takes place in our body also. Oxidation of people possible or not? Yes, students, oxidation of people is also possible and takes place. How? The nutrients which we are taking from food that we eat, when it gets undergo oxidation, lot of energy will produce after the oxidation of food. Whenever lots of energy is produced, cells become more active and they show huge growth. Whenever growth has appeared, it leads to aging of our skin. As you can see in this picture, first man is looking young, but second man is showing aging signs on his skin. So what is the solution of this problem? We can solve this problem by using beauty products, because beauty products has ingredients inside them which reduce the effect of oxidation on our body. Fine. So in today's session, what we are going to discuss, first is what is a redox reaction, what is oxidation and reduction, and how to identify them. Next, what are oxidizing and reducing agents? What is oxidation state? What is oxidation and reduction in terms of oxidation state? How to assign the oxidation state of an atom? and how to use these oxidation states to determine the species that is oxidized and reduced. So you might be confused with lot of terms, but don't worry students, we will discuss all the things one by one. So our first question is, what is a redox reaction? So redox, this is derived from two words. The word redox is derived from two words, rid plus ox. Further, rid is coming from which word? Reduction, and ox means oxidation. So redox we can write as reduction plus oxidation is equals to redox. So when both these processes means reduction and oxidation occur simultaneously. Simultaneously means साइड बाय साइड, ठीक है, दोनों एक ही रिएक्शन में होते हैं जब ये प्रोसेसेस, तो हम क्या बोलते हैं? रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन. इन रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन वन स्पीशीज इज ऑक्सीडाइज्ड एंड अनदर इज रिड्यूस्ड. So to study what is oxidation and reduction, we have three types of definitions. So do you want to see that? So there are three types or three versions of definitions of oxidation and reduction. First we are going to study oxidation. So look at the columns on left hand side. Oxidation means, as the name shows, oxidation derives from which word? Oxygen. Oxygen plus addition. Addition of oxygen is known as oxidation, which we can write as gain in oxygen. Understood? If there is gain in oxygen, means other definition is loss of hydrogen. Or we can say, whenever oxidation takes place, some of the electrons lose from that substance. Like I have shown you picture of banana. Fresh banana has more electrons inside it. When the banana gets ripened, जब वो और भी ज़्यादा बन गया, राइप हो गया आफ्टर ऑक्सीडेशन, तो एयर में उसके क्या हो गए? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लॉस्ट हो गए. So loss of electrons is also known as oxidation. Extreme opposite of these three definitions we can define our next term, reduction. So reduction means reduce, something is getting reduced. ठीक है, तो means loss of oxygen, and in similar manner gain in hydrogen, but in reduction there will be gain of electrons. So you need to remember only one definition, मतलब I mean oxidation आप कर लो, then reduction is extreme opposite of that. Oxidation is easy to remember, name से ही पता चल रहा है things, ठीक है, तो reduction बिल्कुल उसके opposite हो जाएगा. So in this video we are going to end our video here only, and in further video I will tell you about oxidation states, oxidizing agent, reducing agents, and many more things. So thank you.